I know how this is gonna go, but this is Alex Crow's Psycho Loop Fighter. Oh my goodness. I've never done a Loop Fighter before, so this is gonna be interesting to say the least. Oh my goodness. Oh my life. Oh my life. This is weird. Oh. Oh my life. So down. Ah, there's one thing. We're gonna unlock. We're gonna unlock. Oh no. Yo, here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo. Ah! Ah! Oh my life. Whoa. Oh my life! I'm gonna go back over.